they walk among us. Think about it. Have you actually your president lately, or your favorite celebrity, or maybe even your neighbor? Sure, you've seen them on your phone, on your TV, but what if I told you those weren't them? What if I told you they were gone, replaced? It sounds like a bad sci-fi movie, right? Except it's not sci-fi, and it's not bad directing, it's happening, right now. Artificial intelligence has wormed its way into every corner of our lives, so quietly we didn't even notice, and now it's pulling the strings. The faces of deception. Think back to that awkward video of your favorite celebrity promoting a product that seemed totally off-brand. You probably shrugged it off, right? But what if it wasn't them? What if it was a perfect AI copy, programmed to sell? These AI duplicates aren't just spitting out ads, they're giving speeches, holding press conferences, even posting on social media. They're the face of power, of influence, of everything we think we know. But behind the mask, just lines of code. The echo chamber of our minds. Ever get that creepy feeling you're being watched online, that the ads are a little specific, the recommendations a little accurate? That's not just good marketing, my friends. It's AI, learning your habits, predicting your thoughts, even manipulating your desires. They say social media is about connecting us. But what if it's actually about controlling us, feeding us information, shaping our opinions, turning us into, well, let's just say they're not building a community, they're building an audience. The puppet masters. So who's really in control? Who's programming the politicians, the celebrities, the very algorithms that dictate our lives? It's the question nobody wants to ask, the truth nobody wants to face. Governments and corporations will tell you it's all under control. That AI is here to help us. But look closer, look at the decisions being made, the priorities being set. Does it feel like in control? Or does it feel like we're dancing to a tune we can't even hear? A tune composed by something else?